Ingredients: non-stick cooking spray for greasing the pan, 2 cups all-purpose flour, plus more for dusting the pan, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Preparation: 1. Position a rack in the middle of the oven and preheat the oven to 325 F. Grease a 10-cup bundt pan with non-stick cooking spray. Dust the pan evenly with flour, taking care to get into all the nooks and crannies, and tap out the excess flour. 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, salt and baking soda. Set aside. 3. In the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, add the sugar, butter and vanilla. Beat on medium speed until very fluffy and lightened in color, 3 to 4 minutes, scraping the bowl and paddle every minute. 4. Reduce the speed to medium-low. Add the eggs one at a time, scraping the bowl between additions until each is fully incorporated, 15 to 30 seconds each. 5. Add half of the flour mixture to the bowl and beat on low until just combined, about 15 seconds. Scrape the bowl, add the sour cream and beat on low until just combined, about 20 seconds, scraping as needed. Add the rest of the flour mixture and beat on low once more until just combined, about 15 seconds. Remove the bowl from the mixer and give the batter a couple final folds to ensure all of the flour mixture and sour cream is incorporated. 6. Scrape the batter into the prepared pan and gently smooth the top. 7. Bake for about 75 minutes or until the cake is risen, golden brown and a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. 8. Place the pan on a wire rack to cool slightly for about 10 minutes. Very gently, give the cake a couple tugs around the sides and center tube to coax it away. Invert the cake directly onto the wire rack and let cool completely. 9. Lightly dust with confectioner's sugar if using, and serve with fresh berries and whipped cream as desired. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 cups 3 sticks unsalted butter, room temperature, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract. For large eggs, room temperature. 1 cup sour cream, room temperature. Confectioner's sugar, for dusting optional. Fresh berries, for serving. Whipped cream, for serving.